Let's learn colors names. Red. Things in red color. Red ladybug. Red rose. Red tomato. Red strawberry. Let's find out the red color in this room. Ball in red color. This floor cushion is in red color. Shoes in red color. Orange. Things in orange color. Orange fish. Orange juice. Carrot in orange color. Orange lip color. Let's find out the things in orange. Curtains in orange color. Orange sofa. Yellow. This is yellow color. Things in yellow. Yellow balloon. Yellow school bus. Oh, banana. Yellow banana. Yellow sunflower. Let's find out the things in yellow. Yellow sofa. Yellow lamp. Yellow vase. Green. This is green color. Things in green. Parrot. Parrot is in green color. Green school bag. Green caterpillar. Green tree. Let's find out green color in this room. Plant in green. Boy is wearing green shirt. Blue. This is blue color. Things in blue. Star. Star is in blue. Gift box is in blue color. Blue pen. Blue bird. Let's find out the blue in this room. Blue window. Blue table. Blue chair. Purple. Purple color. Things in purple. Purple shirt. Purple umbrella. Purple butterfly. Purple flower. Find out the things in purple. Purple stair. Purple bed sheet. Purple cupboard. Pink. This color name is pink. Things in pink. Pink bow. Pink purse. Pink basket. Pink ice cream. Let's find out the things in pink. Pink chair. Gift box pink. Pink wall. Black. This is black color. Things in black. Black cat. Black glasses. Black hair. Black pencil. Find out the things in black. Black road. Black side table. Black lights. Brown color. Brown. Things in brown. Brown teddy bear. Brown hat. Brown chocolate. Brown door. Let's find out the things in brown. This chair is in brown color. Brown dining table. Brown cabinets. White. This color name is white. White milk. White egg. White t-shirt. White duck. Let's find out the things in white. Sofa white. Study table is in white color. Bathtub white.